country people, welcome to this program. Big Boss on ITV, my name is Eddie John Daniel, aka Eddie Baba. Of course, if you just enter Abuja or your television, we don't get problem for many years now. Just go repair and they see Big Boss, they talking, they wonder which one is Big Boss on ITV, my brother, my sister. Big Boss na the pidgin English program where we say no to unemployment. Yes to save employment and never finish. We still they use this platform, they promote business. Now when you know what thing they do for a year, make it tell another person to tell another person to tell another person. Say, Big Boss time, don't reach. My country people, now welcome. And without not wasting your time, I get some people waiting inside studio with me. And they don't say they did humble, but anything with humble, lion on the inside. My brother, you say, just check them, just check them, lion. With that lion humble, right now humble, they hard and join in it. Now, friends, look at TV. Well, my country people, I get Humble Lion Foundation for Social Justice inside studio with me. May I follow bite my tongue in the process of introducing their name? My brother, make you use your own mouth to introduce your name.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
My country people, my name is Wobodo Friday. Wobodo Friday. That's my name.
You are welcome. And for my far right hand, I still get another yellow man. Please use your own mouth to introduce your own.
My name is Andrew Ahmed Kwanta, aka The Missionary. I'm the media consultant, Humble Lion Foundation for Social Justice.
You are welcome. Well, my country people, now people wait inside with me inside studio. For those of you now where no watch last week episode, I know say it is strange to see them, but however, just as I thought, person where they sell onions inside bookshop, it is on my back. But the onions they important and the book also they important. As much as I discuss business for a year, your right also important. So that person will come carry your right because he get most of passion. That is why they day make the people day what they day into and what they can do. Humble Lion, you are welcome. For the benefit of those who will watch our previous episode, I will make you use your own mouth to talk what you are day into.
Okay, thank you for another opportunity. Yeah, Humble Lion Foundation for Social Justice is an organization that has come out to help the institutions in our country to bring back peace and unity and to give common man justice in every area of their endeavor. So, like you see, as you can see, the social justice is for everybody. So, we are here to tell you how far we have gone and where we are still heading to. Because we are still on a very big journey.
Okay. My brother from my far right hand, I beg, make you see let us, make clear us well.
Just as you talk our own to hear problem and solve them.
That is all. Talk, no be long talk. Short. You don't person.
People hear the problem, then we solve them.
You only use English. At least you don't talk about our level of understanding.
Exactly.
Thank you for that one. Well, just to still enlighten us a little. But just tell us about the previous years when I don't solve Wala because nobody just for a person to just bring problem come and go pile and keep. Waiting with those problems when I don't solve so far.
One of the problems we God has solved through this organization is that there's one, as you can see, one big document in my hand now. This is a fake land that was organized by a group of people with the name of the institution of the federal institution, and defrauded the citizens of the country. And over 20,000 citizens are victims of this. But few of them, the little people that we came across, that brought their mother, when we go through it, we find out, we take the necessary step by involving the security agencies. And the law followed, and by the grace of God, most of them, or as many that brought their documents to us, God gave them their money. They got their money. Okay. Through the help of the police, Guarepa police station, and the IG police monitoring.
Police and police, don't even mention the location.
Yes. But through their help of police and the help of ASO Radio at that time, they were all the witnesses when they are coming to collect their money. Some collect 500,000, 820,000, 1 million, different money, 300 or something, depending on how they look at you and collect your money. So this is one of the cases. We even go as far as look at the case file. You can see the case file. These are the case file. We even go when the matter came in a very serious way. We have to write even to the office of the president at General Muhammad Buhari will write to his office to let him know the kind of conspiracy going on in
Okay.
and which the matter was rapidly attended to, and people were very happy, as many that get access to us. But the reason why the nation did not know is because of due to financial stability. We don't have enough resources to come out for the people to know what we are doing. But we are just trying to help, by the help of God, we want to introduce our real activities. That is why we are here, so that the nation, the country, the Nigerian people, we know that there are people who have, God has chosen, decided to follow matter in order to give common man freedom in every area of work.
Okay, then when you are touching matter, do you have special group of people you attend to, or everybody?
No, we don't have special. We attend to as many we come across. You see, as many that we come across, these are the people we attend to. Just like this matter, like I told you, look at one of this matter. This matter is a man, this person here is eBay, Miss eBay. This man has a case with one king of POE for 12 years.
You don't need to mention names.
But God has used this social organization to solve the problem with them. And
so everything
was happy.
My country people, just as I the talk say, no be every fight you go follow fight. You get something we get, if not be by muscle, with money, they get and pass you. So even when you know say this thing where they do you, now you're right, but because of you don't get power, you don't get muscle, you don't get money to take pursue the case, you just relax, and now so you're right, you just take over your right. And these people will be humble foundation for social justice. Don't come out on TV. Come talk say which problem where you get. You where they watch them, even if you don't get problem, and you know say you know they support evil, support them to form this nation to shape, and as you take be, because anything will not get shape, it get as it be. And for my fire right hand, and that's why they take call you now. For my fire right hand, you're supposed to sit down here. Maybe please mine mix with yellow, but you just
not so.
Why they do us now? Because we black. Now you go sit down far like that.
You go follow come.
Yeah. All right, so the media consultant, what will be the current case who are they handle now?
Very interesting. Current case now, as we know say electricity na serious problem for Nigeria.
Okay.
So we don't carry matter reach about three communities. Yes, 3 communities where we don't capture the same problem and the same complaint. You see, so the matter we do on top now na electricity.
Okay.
And as we have a file here, whether this in the here, won't be say we don't write everything. Our own are just to carry them, go submit them, and video. As I'm talking to you, maybe next time we go bring videos. People won't complain. And these 3 communities, what they tell you, now the same complaint, then they complain. Normal thing they say, when you build your house, you're not supposed to pay for meter, you're not supposed to pay for any cable, you're not supposed to pay for anything. Say, what you go pay now for light? When they not charge you, say make you pay for meter, make you pay for cable, make you pay for service or everything. So this community, what they tell you, so 3 communities.
So you say they're not supposed to pay for meter. Where you get your own your own facts from? Is it in our constitution? Say NEPA, ADC not supposed to collect money for meter.
What happened is, normally, the constitutional, according to the constitution binding the ABC, masses before, masses are not supposed to pay for meter. Meter was free with it.
Okay.
But I heard recently that they have modified that, just recently. But even when that was happening, there was violence. But that is not the case. The case is this: AEDC are managing the light. But in the 3 communities who have interviewed with their kingsmen, the community were the one that sourced for their transformer with their own money. They are the one that buy their cables. They are the one that buy the wires. They are the one that buy. They pay AEDC for even for the installation. They charge them workmanship, and they have all documents for this. They pour everything in the maintenance of their life, like Angwandoka community. If you watch this case, we have the case file for Angwandoka right now. These people, the community, they source for all their life materials. They even pay for workmanship. And number one. Number three is that they don't even access the land, and they give them fictitious bills.
And they pay.
They bill and they are paying and they have all their evidence. The social justice have gone through this case. We find out that what is fraud scam, that the AEDC are defrauding the citizens of this country in their own fatherland.
Not everybody shall. And yes. My brother might still talk this one. I know say wait. I know try to say what they talk. You know the point. You get point. And not before everybody. And waiting they be safe. They know they carry police come and say if you don't pay NEPA bill, you know go arrest you. So you way they not give you light, you still pay. They not give you light, you still pay. That means anyhow it be, they get light. But if you talk say the light not the day constant, you don't understand. The light not the day as it's supposed to be. But no be say person no get light. You pay the first day, the second they go still pay for waiting not the get. You don't understand.
The bone of contention is this. And one local community source for their transformer. Pay for their lights, for their wires, pay for all the installments, pay workmanship, pay for the maintenance, buy the materials. AEDC has not contributed there according to the statement of all over 300 to 400 citizens in Agwandoka and their elder statement, including the king. They have made us to understand with their documents that AEDC has not spent one year. So what are you managing for? What are they managing them for?
Okay.
Why are they paying bill to people who?
I wouldn't want.
This is why social. I'm telling the reason why social justice was interested.
Okay.
To know why. What is the responsibility of AEDC?
Did you go to other community or other organization to confirm if they are the one that bought their own transformer by themselves or managed by?
I think we have
three communities.
Three different communities. Three different communities.
We can mention them if you want. Three communities. Yes.
Three different communities. If we have enough money now to put the video conversations on air now.
Yes.
If we have enough money now.
Yes.
This is why we are calling the masses. So that people will know. You will see, you will cry.
Yes.
You will see that people are a slave in their fatherland.
Yes.
Oh. Well, my brother, my sister, if you're
this is not a joke.
Okay. If you're just joining us the program at Big Boss on ITV and people were there with me now, human rights activists now them be where the organization name now Humble Lion Foundation for Social Justice. And then they talk about
AEDC.
Thank you, my brother. Say they know
Abuja Electricity Distribution Company, PLC.
Say they get some places where they know they access light, and I mean I know go fit talk to everybody because some people get some people where we say and they get light. In fact, light fit there for their house for complete 1 week.
Yes.
They not take out, and get some people where don't get access to that same light too. So now waiting they try to talk.
Now, but the main people there. AEDC is the people in the rural
area, exactly.
In the city, I myself am living in one of the villages in that city. I'm living in 2-bedroom flat. I am not consuming up to 2,500 naira because I have a meter.
Okay.
In 2 months.
Yes.
Because I don't have enough gadgets I'm using in that place. In one of the places I'm living. Are you with me? Now, and in the same environment, the people who don't have a meter are paying the same kind of material I'm using to consume 2,000 something.
Okay.
They are paying in a month. Some are paying 10,000. Some are paying 12,000. Some are paying 15,000. They charge you according to what they decide from their heart. Well, and because that is why they deny them meter. They don't want the rural area to know have access to meter.
Humble Lion Foundation for Social Justice, they are known for solving problems, both NEIB, they are known for solving problems, but I don't know why this one paying them for Belesote, you know, one leave our NEPA alone. But however, it gets some other issue where they do, where we say, you see there here. I mean, see something like a creek.
Yes. Like I told you, Humble Lion Foundation, we go through most of the institutions to know why things are not working fine. Our finding is that we will investigate you and in the institution and bring a solving solution to that. So we went on a move on agriculture to find a solving solution to agriculture so that every common man in Nigeria will benefit, will become a beneficiary from the Federal Ministry of Agriculture. Now, what do? We have to go down to the real farmers to identify the real farmer on ground. Because we find out that every material that is allocated to the federal government will allocate materials, but the real farmer does not have access to it.
Okay.
So we assume that maybe the management of federal Ministry of Agri did not know to have access to the right people. So we want to help them. How do we do? We went ahead to capture the real farmers. And after we go to ASO Radio. There was a program, there was one in ASO Radio before, that is Grass to Greens. Are you with me? Yes. On farmers. This is the letter. We write to the minister, Honorable Minister of Agriculture, in the administration of Aldo. So are you with me?
What has been the result?
They responded, and this is the response they responded to us.
Okay.
But this response,
how these people are working? I beg you.
They responded
for me.
The letter from Honorable Minister to the Humble Life Foundation. But the fact is this: not responding, but carrying out the activity, solving the problem.
I don't know carry my shaka for here, but don't shake
solving the problem.
People are solving problem. People are solving problem.
That's so.
And what I want you want talk again. You know, say anybody picking will cry. There's something they bite up, and whether you like it, you check him body. No see mosquito, nothing. But the picking they cry. They get waiting they worry. Exactly. The picking not just they cry for fun. And what will be your target of coming on here? What do you want from the people watching you?
What we want from the people is that today we want them to know the Humble Lion Foundation for Social Justice is calling on every citizen of Nigeria that loves this country, Nigeria, to come and support the social justice to bring back peace and unity in our country. Okay. Not only bringing back peace, but I want them to know that the country has a strong law that is defending every citizen. But the problem is that most of the people, due to lack of awareness and lack of
they don't know their rights.
Left and right, they did not know how to access this justice. But the social justice is here to tell you that you can access your justice by the grace of God.
Amen.
And the most important thing is not to bring your case, but sometimes you bring your case. Like what happened in Magala on a very good day. Somebody brought his case, went to his pastor that one Muslim brother is intimidating him. Why is the one intimidating the Muslim brother? But to his greatest surprise, when social justice stepped into that place, at Magala position, the case revised. He has to be accused.
Exactly.
Because you might be reporting yourself in the name of reporting somebody.
Exactly.
So the social justice does not have any respect for the violators of the rules of law.
Not by who first come.
Not by who first come.
Okay.
Not by who's first. Not by who I know. No. We are not interested. If you watch us, you will know that we are not playing with anybody.
Okay. Yes.
Because what is happening in our country is we are no more happy. Nobody is paying back.
No, some people are happy.
So come and help social justice. We work and save your community. We have a program that is going to come. That is why we need the help of Nigeria. That is called Operation Monitor Your Representative. Monitor who you are representing. Follow the rule of laws. From the local government, from the governor down to your delegate. And you know the rules of law and follow them up. So the country can come to unanimous understanding. This is the mission of...
for my right hand, your final word.
So our final word is, those people when one help their country, still would they even give job? You can work with us because you cannot go all the communities and work. So if you love yourself and you love your community and you are not happy about what is happening, if you come to us, we go screen you, but no say you dey very honest. Because if you come and you work and we found out that you are the same, we will catch you too, just as we did.
All right, that's yes. They will catch you too.
Yes. So don't come and report yourself and don't bring yourself to us.
Check yourself.
Yes, check yourself.
All right, I know soon they come this program, now they come ITV very soon. I will get on our own platform on the TikTok.
That is why we are calling Nigeria to help us, so that we have a lot of problems that God have solved through this organization.
Yes.
If we start bringing them, I don't know if we can be able to, time will permit us. So we want Nigeria to help us.
Exactly.
So we can have a platform where every citizens will be knowing what is going on and how their problem is solved.
All right, my brother, my sister, your own lost throw away. And if you are be watching me, just know that the program don't finish now. So don't miss next week episode. I don't know whether they go join me next week. When I go join me next week, so that I will know what I will tell.
By the grace of God.
By the grace of God. Yes. Okay. All right, now let's do this again, same time, same station. Don't forget to like my Facebook page, Big Boss on ITV, and expect today recharge card. As you tell me. Oh yeah, now I will come out. Skyman, this studio, but you no come on time. So, in the greet now, on behalf of Skyman, the greet now. My producer, young me up.